Robovision has got some cool reusable computer vision tools. Recently, they have released Supervision Point 13, which is an open source toolkit for computer vision. It provides capabilities such as detection, classification, segmentation, and annotation on videos with advanced features like trackers, zones, and annotators. This is their GitHub repo, and I will drop the link in video's description, which you can use through. There is some Python code which you can use to do some detection processing, dataset processing, also some model evaluation, and then there is also this supervision videos you can watch, and then there are a couple of tutorials for auto label data sets and segment anything, and they are quite nicely described in these videos. And they also have this documentation link which you can follow along. Now, if you go to their website, they have some cool samples on there. For instance, if you look here, this is something related to retail, and then it is detecting what exactly is in the image and labeling it very clearly. You can also drop in your own images to test it out, which is quite nice. And you can use your webcam too. For instance, if I go with, let's say, worksite safety, you can upload some images here, or you can even go with retail or logistics, and there are multiple options here. And as I mentioned, there are a lot of other good resources on their website which you can follow through. So all in all, a really good resource for any sort of image manipulation or segmentation of images if you want to do it through your code. I hope that you found it interesting. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Thank you.